The pressure's on for European Central Bank Chief Mario Draghi, Super Mario, as the headlines have dubbed him. It started with this.
The head of the European Central Bank vowed to save the Eurozone from collapse and said it will do what it is needed to support the currency.
The ECB is ready to do whatever it takes to preserve the euro.
Apparently, when one says he's ready to do whatever it takes, people expect you to actually do something. Draghi made that announcement Thursday, and global markets soared with hope. Now, Malcolm Maiden of Australia's Brisbane Times asks, what's he actually going to do? Draghi has said similar things before, and unfulfilled and discarded promises to do whatever it takes litter the global crisis like confetti at a wedding. The writer points to examples of world leaders like former Australian Prime Minister Kevin Rudd, former British Prime Minister Gordon Brown, and U.S. President Barack Obama, all of whom at one point in time promised to do whatever it takes to achieve some goal or another in their respective economies. It's also worth noting that Draghi prefaced the promise with a reminder the ECB would, of course, have to stay within EU treaty obligations, which some say rules out directly financing sovereigns. But the Financial Times' Robin Wigglesworth says there's always the unthinkable. The ECB cut its deposit rate to 0 this month. 2 council members have recently hinted that the central bank may go further and experiment with a negative deposit rate, in effect charging banks to keep their money safe. There are, of course, other possibilities, but on CNN's Fareed Zakaria GPS, Harvard economics professor Kevin Rogoff calls the euro situation a slow-motion train wreck and says for whatever solution the ECB could throw at the problem, the troubles just get bigger.
I believe there's no end game to this besides a political union among the countries that are in the Eurozone. I just don't think the single currency is going to work.
Both the ECB and the Federal Reserve are scheduled to meet this week. For Newsy, I'm Christina Hartman, multiple sources, The Real Story.